Today we're going to take a look at the Little Green Mini by Bissell. We're going to put it to the test. We have a dog and we're going to see if it can help our carpet. So this is everything we're going to get here. So this is on a handle. We have the dirty water tank over here. This is where we're going to put on this side right over here. We're going to put our water, and it even comes with the solution right over here, so you don't have to do any of that. Also have this little cup right over here, and this back piece right over here. You have to just pop this on when you first get it. You get a nice long cord right over here, which is nice. And then we also have this piece, which we're gonna put on the front. Looks pretty simple. We got off on over here. We're gonna get this set up. We're gonna go to the carpet, and then we're gonna go from there and see how it does. All right, so all we gotta do is fill the tank. You'll see everything's marked right here. We're gonna fill water up to here and then the solution up to there. So there's gonna be a lot more water in here, so that solution will go a long way. Literally just gonna take this top off right over here. You got like a little stem going on in there. So we're just gonna take this off, put it right in there. Fills really quick. Also, if you want a bigger one, they do have a bigger size with a bigger tank. So it looks like we're kind of like right over there. It is kind of nice over here. We do have a grip, so you can hold it while you fill it up. We're just gonna put the solution in next, which is right over here. And then we're gonna get started on the project. All right, so we got the water filled up right to the line here. The next step, we're gonna go solution. So we're gonna just go to solution in this line, not the whole entire thing. So it's a little easier to do not being filmed. We're just gonna dump this in just like that. Kind of watch the line, kind of just let it hang out right there. Give it a little eye judgment. It kind of looks like we just need a tad bit more. I'd say maybe about a quarter of this is now in here. So there's still 3/4 left. And we're gonna see how long this lasts as we progress here. All right, so we're all filled up here. We're literally just gonna pop this in this way, just like that. Slide it in right over there. Let that lock in. Then we're gonna be using this piece right over here. Literally just hook that in, just like this side right over here. And we're gonna get going. Got a nice long cord here. And then it also has the cord wrap in the back, and then a simple on off right over here. No crazy settings or anything like that. We're literally just gonna go over there, start using it, and that's it. All right, all we're gonna do here is we're gonna use this right over here and turn this on. We're gonna use this to spray out. And what you're gonna do is you're just gonna brush, and then you're gonna pull just like that. So let's get this turned on. You can see right here, dirt is definitely coming out of here. So we're gonna keep going here, and then we'll show you kind of the end product. And the other water is kind of going into here right now. See it really sucking off the dirt right over here. Really works great. All right, this is what it looked like before. Now that we're done, this is what it looks like. You could tell it is much lighter compared to over here. So it definitely made a great difference. Really good job over here. We're gonna go dump out the tank, and let's see what was in there. All right, so we got it over here. You're gonna wanna make sure this is unplugged before you do anything. So this piece right over here is gonna pop out. You could totally wash this. You'll see there's a bunch of stuff inside. And then we're just gonna pop that out just like that. There'll be stuff in here too. You can rinse all this out. Now in terms of the tank right over here, this is the dirty water tank. So we're just gonna pop that up just like that. And you'll see this is what it got. I know it is kind of gross. That's what you get for having a dog, but it obviously did a really good job. And you could literally just pour that out just like that. And then you could rinse this out. I would say this thing did a really, really good job. I mean, if you were looking for something, this is super lightweight too. I don't know the weight on this. If I had to guess, maybe like 5 to 8 pounds on this. But I like the fact you see right over here. We still have some more solution left right over there. And we did clean that a pretty good patch. So we probably, if I had to guess, there's maybe 4 or 5 times that you could use this solution. We got a pretty good portion done right over here. So if you're looking for a great carpet cleaner to get stains or just kind of your carpet's a little dirty, I would definitely recommend this. And if you want a bigger size, they also have a bigger size as well. And maybe get some more of these refills as well. I hope you found this review helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up. I hope you found the perfect carpet cleaner for you.